Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a review on my new Falken AT Trail tires. I have taken these tires on a good 3,000 miles worth of trips on road and off road just to kind of test the durability. For the most part I've had pretty good luck with them and had no issues whatsoever. The tire compound seems to have a good enough tread to do whatever it is I need it to do. For those of you looking for a snow and mud review, sorry, wasn't able to find any of that. To start with, I took it over some sharp rocks, kind of test the toughness of the rubber compound. Had no problems with it, no penetrations, and the tires still look fantastic. The tread is aired up at max PSI and at a lower PSI. Zero issues whatsoever. Of course, after some rocks, I figured I'd take it up a couple of challenging climbs and see if I could cause any serious traction issues. For the most part, they did exactly what I needed them to do. The dry Arizona desert was a great test for the tires. As you can see, dust everywhere and very limited traction. I think most crossovers and SUVs could benefit from this tire and some light off-roading. Also tested the tires in loose sand. From what I could find, I couldn't find anything extremely deep. I also tried it in a couple of small water crossings, which really didn't test much in my opinion, but it was always fun to drive through. Again, more dry testing, lots of hills. The videos really don't do this any good. It was rather steep, but I guess to each his own. You can watch the videos and kind of get your own idea of what you're looking for. For me, the tires worked great. For the hills I went up, I also tested them down because that is equally as important. I was easily able to maintain traction on this downhill obstacle. While it doesn't seem that steep, for most SUVs and crossovers, this is a little extreme. And for most of you, this is what you're looking for. I've seen many rock crawlers use these, and I've seen all kinds of street crawlers use them. It's just a good all-around tire. Overall, I've had no issues with the tires. Over the 3,000 miles of drive time, I've only lost 1/32nd of wear when comparing to the spare tire on the back. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.